If tan beta equals to sin alpha cos alpha divided by 2 plus cos square alpha, show that 3 into tan of alpha minus beta minus 2 tan alpha equals to 0. Now given to us tan beta equals to sin alpha cos alpha by 2 plus cos square alpha. That means we have to write the right hand side here in terms of tan alpha. And let's also see what is the formula for tan of alpha minus beta. That is tan alpha minus tan beta divided by 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. That is tan of alpha minus beta. Now let's try to look at the condition given to us and write down tan beta in terms of tan alpha. So for that, let's write down tan beta equals to sin alpha into cos alpha divided by 2 plus cos square alpha. Since we want to convert this into tan, let us divide both the numerator and denominator by cos square alpha. So we will have sin alpha cos alpha divided by cos square alpha divided by 2 plus cos square alpha divided by cos square alpha. When we simplify this, we will get tan alpha divided by 2 secant square alpha plus 1. Now how to write secant square alpha in terms of tan alpha? For that we will use the identity. Secant square alpha is 1 plus tan square alpha. So 2 into 1 plus tan square alpha plus 1, which is 2 tan square alpha plus 3. How we got it? We got tan alpha divided by 2 into 1 plus tan square alpha plus 1, which is equals to which gave us tan beta equals to tan alpha by 2 tan square alpha plus 3. Now let's go to what we need to prove. 3 into tan of alpha minus beta minus 2 tan alpha. Now we know the formula for tan of alpha minus beta. Let us put that formula here. 3 into tan alpha minus tan beta divided by 1 plus tan alpha tan beta minus 2 tan alpha. Now the problem is very simple. We know tan beta in terms of tan alpha. So you just have to go and substitute there and simplify that. Nothing else. We are done. Let's go ahead and do that. Tan alpha minus tan beta. We know tan beta is given by tan alpha divided by 2 tan square alpha plus 3. Divided by 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. That is tan alpha into tan beta is given by tan alpha divided by 2 tan square alpha plus 3 minus 2 tan alpha. So let us simplify this. In the numerator we can take tan alpha common. So we'll have 3 tan alpha into 1 minus 1 divided by 2 tan square alpha plus 3 and in the denominator when we take LCM we will have 1 plus tan square alpha divided by 2 tan square alpha plus 3. The next step we will take LCM. This minus 2 tan alpha. Let us simplify. We will have in the numerator 3 tan alpha into 2 tan square alpha plus 3 minus 1 divided by 2 tan square alpha plus 3 divided by 3 tan square alpha plus 3 divided by 2 tan square alpha plus 3 minus 2 tan alpha. Now 2 tan square alpha plus 3, what we have in both numerator and the denominator, that will cancel each other. So now what is left out is 3 tan alpha into, we can take 2 common. We get 1 plus tan square alpha or tan square alpha plus 1 divided by, in the denominator we can take 3 common. We will get 3 into tan square alpha plus 1. Now tan square alpha plus 1 we can cancel in both of them. So we have 3 cancelling it out. We have 2 tan alpha minus 2 tan alpha, which is equals to 0.